Home, because it's just not a place to live. Here at Vaughan Metropolitan Center, everything is at your doorstep. Connection, convenience, and endless opportunities. And this penthouse is nothing short of extraordinary. Nearly 2,000 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, floor-to-ceiling windows, remote control roller blinds. This 2-story penthouse is a rare find. This is where functionality meets elegance. From top-of-the-line Miele Appliances every detail is crafted to elevate your living experience. It's not just a box in the sky, it's a home. It's a home. Imagine sipping on your morning coffee or enjoying a glass of wine and looking at the beautiful sunset with this forever views. This penthouse redefines the luxury. It gives you more time to enjoy life and less worrying about it. With Highway 400 just minutes away, you are very well connected. Either it's downtown or a quick weekend getaway. Oh, did I mention it comes with 2 parking spots? Opportunities like this never last long. Book your private tour today and see it yourself.